Can you introduce yourself?
I am Gio Samiano, 39 years old, a solo parent of 3 kids, 1 girl and 2 boys. And my eldest is 21 years old, next is 16, and my youngest is 14 years old. I am a high school graduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I don't have a brother and I have 3 sisters. I am second in the family.
What is your working experience as housemaid before?
I work as a full-time nanny here in the Philippines since 2019 up to the present. I take care of the baby. I do the household work like ironing, washing the clothes, and marketing.
Do you know how to take care of a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will check her diaper first and change it if it is wet. Then feed the baby, and if it's still crying, I will call the parents.
Do you have a long patience for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if children is naughty?
If the children is naughty, I will catch up their attention by uh, calling them and counting numbers and singing with them.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong and who will take care of your children?
I want to Hong Kong. Want to go to Hong Kong because I want to help my children for their financial needs, and I will leave my children to my mother.
Describe your positive attitude.
I am a self-disciplined. I am patient as well.
Could you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
Slightly, ma'am.
Any food doesn't eat, are you allergic to any food?
No, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
I cook Filipino dishes, ma'am.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take care elder person and assist all their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please accept me as your helper in your home, and I will promise to do all the household work, and I will eagerly to learn everything that you want me to do. Thank you, sir.